So hey, you guys, thanks for coming back again. So this is again tinkering with Julio. It's not going to be nothing too technical. So what we're going to be doing today is replacing the back glass on my wife's smartwatch. Her back glass ended up falling off, and we have no idea where it went. It's not going to be nothing too complicated. It should be pretty straightforward. But I had not seen a video, so I wanted to do a video just showing just how easy it is to replace. So if in case you guys are thinking, oh my god, the back glass fell off of my smartwatch, oh that's it, it's done, I gotta buy another one or have a service do it. No, you can do it yourself. So let's get to it. A couple things I figured we might need. So the watch, some alcohol wipes, my little handy dandy screwdriver, and a microfiber cloth. We'll see if we need them all. So first I'm going to start by taking off the glue from the old one, but it looks like there's, you know what? First, let me see the glass, if it has glue. Look at all these things. Oh, look, a guitar pick. So I should look in here. Push it down. I'm guessing this is to remove. Here, I'll try this instead, so I don't scratch anything. So does this come already? For a second I was about to bend this, and this is the glass. Don't bend glass. Glass does not break.
Glass does not break.
I was about to bend this, but hey, as some other YouTuber says, glass is glass and glass breaks. But which side is right side? Oh, never mind. This is the top side. This side is gonna. And then, so what is this then? Were there any instructions on here?
No, it came just like that.
So just in case, I'm gonna start with this plastic-looking razor blade, and I'm gonna take off the old seal. Just going around, just making sure that I don't damage the actual sensors on the back of the watch. So that was easy enough. So that's the old one. Looks like a happy face. Haha. I just want to make sure that there's no leftovers, so the new seal will have some pretty good mating surface for it to adhere properly. So I would usually, by this stage, I would usually put alcohol to clean all this up, but considering that you have all this electronics over here, I don't feel so confident in doing that. So I think I'm just gonna have to use some elbow grease and just take it off by hand. Okay, so microfiber cloth. Well, you know what? I might have to. So I think what I'm gonna do is gonna get one of these alcohol prep pads, but I'm just gonna clean where the adhesive was at without, well, I can't promise, but without trying to touch where the electronics are at. I'm just trying to get rid of the gunk left by the old seal. I think that's good enough. So let's get this going. So let's put the new happy face on the watch. So you guys notice this happy face part is going to go over here where these three sensors are at. It's going to go down on this way. So I'm going to try to put it in as best as I can because I only have one shot. You know what? I think I'm going to use this screwdriver over here so I can set it in place, because this is not exactly that easy. Okay, let's get the guitar pick. All right, that's good enough. Now, let's take the handy dandy screwdriver and let's remove this cover. And there we are. So that's the seal. So see, this comes off. And now, let's see. This actually came in more handy than I thought, this little screwdriver. So now, yeah, so this is the bottom part. Okay, so I don't think there's any adhesive. Yeah, there's no adhesive on this part. Yeah, this is the glass. So yeah, there's no adhesive on the glass itself. It's really sticky. On the glass itself because the seal has the adhesive. Let's try to do this as best as I can. Let me see. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it closer so I can get more light. So you guys can see. See, I'm trying to align. See, this is the happy face that I was talking about. See, you see the 4 sensors, the chip and the LED. So I'm trying to align that as best as I can. And voila, there we go. Let me push it on here. And watch me break it. Well, at least I know how to replace the glass. Let's give it a good little shine. And yeah, what do you guys think? I think that came out pretty good. It came out pretty good. I mean, hey, again, it's free. And by the way, if you liked it, comment and please subscribe. Let's power the watch on. And by the way, she installed a protector, glass protector on the screen. So if the screen looks a little bit raised, that's why. It's actually worked out pretty good. She hasn't scratched that. So it's definitely done this job protecting the screen. So yeah, so let's see. Comes on, and there you go. So that's it. This was a successful operation. The watch is done. All right, you guys. So definitely that was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. At first I was a little worried because I was just wondering what this happy face, if it had a way of a certain way of doing it. But you know what? It's got a happy face because this had a very happy ending. So happy face, thanks for your service, but we got another one. It's seriously as simple as just scraping off the old seal, just making sure it's clean, and just cleaning whatever gunk may be in there from the time that the glass fell off, or maybe even if it broke. And now I will hand off this watch to my gorgeous wife. Here you go, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Anyway, so thanks for checking out the channel. Again, this was just a little video of just tinkering with Julio. So periodically, I will put reviews and sometimes DIYs. But anyway, thanks for checking out the video. I'll see you on the next one. And definitely consider subscribing. But anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Psh, found it.
I know.